Hey beautiful people, Christelle here. If it's your first time tuning into my channel, please click the subscribe button down below. If you are returning, welcome back. Happy that you could make it for another video. Definitely guys, get excited. I'm about to show you how I do my natural hair puff. So right now I'm working on a 3-day-old wash and go. And today's actually my wash day, but I was like, you know what? Let me experiment a little bit. I'm like, all right, we're gonna do a puff real quick for the people and let me know what you guys think. All right, stay tuned.
Jumping right into it. So I'm just going to spray my hair down with some regular old H2O. It's in a regular mist spray bottle, and I have a lot of products in my hair, so I'm not going to add anything too heavy. Just going to add some castor oil to my ends to make my hair shiny, to make it a lot more manageable, and to make sure that my scrunchie or whatever, my hair tie, glides right through my hair. Next, I'm going in with my pick, and I'm lightly picking at the roots just to give my hair a little bit more volume, a little bit more fluff, and to separate whatever gel or like curling products I have like at the roots. So this right here, y'all, if you don't know what it is, it's literally the leg of a stocking. Like I cut the leg off and I use this every single time I put my hair in a puff. And it actually works a lot better than a regular scrunchie in my opinion. So right now I'm just going to push it back really gently, and I'm going to push it upwards to get my puff to the desired height. I usually like my puff to be right on top of my head. So we're just going to keep repeating the process by, you know, tightening and pushing up at the same time. Be gentle because obviously the stocking isn't made out of silk or satin. So you just want to make sure you don't rip any hair out of your edges or out of the nape of your neck. So right now I'm actually happy with the height that my puff is at, so I'm just tightening it again just to secure it in place. So what I do with the two loose ends is just tuck it under the stocking itself, just so like it's out of sight, out of mind. And just for some extra security, I take some bobby pins and secure the stocking in place, just so you know it doesn't fall out your head, like it doesn't loosen the puff over like time. So I just want to add an extra layer of security, and then I pick my hair out to fluff the puff to the desired shape. So this right here I think is the most crucial part of creating the ideal puff. You want to pick your hair out to the desired shape that you want it. And then after you got that done, you just want to go in and pull some edges out so you can finesse those edges so your edges could be flaky. But you don't have to do this. This is just something that I prefer to do. And I like to use Eco Styler gel because for some reason like it stays. All the other edge controls that I've used so far have not done your girl justice. So we're just going to go and do a little swoop. And we'll keep swooping all throughout until your baby hairs look like how you want it to look. So I don't know about y'all, but I always have to set my edges. So I'm going in with this, I guess, edge wrap. And I'm gonna have this on for a little while just for the sake of the video. I'm actually gonna speed it up by blow drying. I don't usually do this. Usually like I'll set my edges overnight. Like I'll sleep with this scarf on. All right, that's enough of that. So we're gonna take the scarf down and do the big reveal. Hey-o. Look at that. Wow. Yes,
There
girl.
you have it. A pretty simple high puff tutorial. Literally guys, this was a style that I was doing like all of the time. So please rate this a thumbs up if you like it. Share, comment, whatever it is that you gotta do to support your girl. I'm here for it. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.